Today we're going to check out the MiniBrite magnifiers. These are some of our hottest selling products, so let's check them out. The MiniBrite is a lightweight magnifier weighing only 1.7 ounces. This makes it easy to bring with you anywhere. Not only is it portable, but it's discreet. Stick it in your pocket or toolkit. The MiniBrite is a great magnifier to keep on you at all times. These magnifiers have a lens dimension of 36mm by 40mm and a protective sleeve to keep it from getting scratched. What's even cooler about the MiniBrite magnifiers is that they come with a built-in LED light. This is extremely helpful in low light situations. The MiniBrite magnifiers come in two models, the PO-25 and the PO-55. The PO-25 is a 3-power magnification. This is perfect for reading books, magazines, or newspapers. It's great for all-around general use. The PO-55 has a 5-power magnification. This is great for inspecting small objects such as insects, jewelry, or fine print. The PO-55's extra strength is due to its aspheric lens. So what is an aspheric lens? To put it simply, an aspheric lens has a distinct shape to allow higher magnification in a thinner, lighter lens with no distortion around the edges. The MiniBrite magnifiers are absolutely incredible products. They're built tough and beautifully designed. I highly recommend them if you're looking for a magnifier that you can carry around without getting damaged. Be sure to visit our website, subscribe to our channel, and leave comments below. Your feedback is always important to us. Till next time, see you later.